students, I hope all of you are well. So let's start the class. In previous few weeks, we were doing MS Word 2013 and I taught you how to insert a table, how to insert the header and footer for your Word file. And today I'm going to show you the different features of tables again. Okay. So now we know how to insert a table in the Word file and how to insert the data. But if I want to modify any row or any particular column or any particular cell, so how can I? That I'm going to show you today. The first topic of today's class will be splitting cells. How to split the cells. For example, this cell, it's written computer, but I want to split the cells. I want to write two things in the cells. In that particular cells, I want two columns. So how can I do that? So if you want to split any cell, in that case, first you have to move the cursor on that particular cell, and in 2013 version, you have to go to the layout option. In the layout option, you will get split option, but as I am using 2016, now what I'll do, I will right click on the cell and here I'll get option called split cells. So now I'm going to click on split cells option. If you click on split cells, so it will show you a window, a small window where you can insert the number of columns and number of rows. Say I want two columns and one row. One row is already there, so I want two columns, or else say three columns and two rows. Okay, so let's see how it will come. See, there are three columns, 1, 2, 3 and two row, 1 and 2. So if you want to split any cells like that, definitely you can do this way. Just go to that particular cell, and if you are using 2013 or 2010 version, then you have to click on layout option. On the layout option, you will get split cells option. Okay, or else you can right click on that cell and you can click on split cells. And you can insert the values, number of columns and number of rows that you want, and after that you have to click on OK. Alright, so this is how you can split a cell. Like here you can write different things like art, like anything you can write. Okay, the next thing that I want to show, that is how to merge cells. If you want to merge two cells, then how you can merge? Say these two cells I want to merge, then I have to select this two or more than two. If you want to merge more than two cells also, that is also fine. So you have to select these cells that you want to merge. Then again, if you are using 2013, then you go to the layout option here, layout tab, and then you will get merge cells option, or else you can right click and you will get one option called merge cells. See, two cells has merged. So this is how you can merge two cells. I believe you have understood that how to split the cells and how to merge the cells. Isn't it interesting? Okay. Now, if you want to resize any column width and row height, how you can? It's very simple and easy. Say, for this particular cell, if you want a particular height and width, you just move your mouse in the line and left click on the mouse, and then you can resize your column size. And how you can resize your row size? Like again, in that line you have to move up or move down as per your requirement. Okay, and for the column you have to move right or left. like this. Say for student name, your column size should be big. So for that you have to move your mouse in that line, and after that left click and move your mouse so that the cell will be as per your choice. One thing that you can resize your a particular cell or particular row and column with a particular size. Okay, if you want that, there is a way. How? Again, right click on any cell, and here you will get one option for if you want to resize any cell, then how you can, like, only this move your mouse and then you can resize the cells. So this is how students you can merge different cells, you can split cells, and you can resize the row and column as per your choice. Okay, please do it at your home, and if you have any doubt or if you have done it, please write in the comment box so that I can understand that you have done that and you have understood or not. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.